You got your cameras out. MGK is a fucking problem. If the industry doesn't want to fuck with me, it's alright, because the streets rock with the king. Hey, yo, I need everybody to be quiet for this shit. I wrote this shit on the way over here. Y'all ready? It was all a dream, motherfucker. 17, motherfucker. Trying to bow like I'm playing on a team, motherfucker. Like Kareem, motherfucker. What it seems, motherfucker. Me and mine out here winning Charlie Sheen, motherfucker. On any given Sunday, Willie B, motherfucker. In the hood like Radio Raheem, motherfucker. Blowing good, but this ain't no porn scene, motherfucker. This that smoke until you numb is morphine, motherfucker. Because my life is a fucking war scene, motherfucker. So much grimy shit, I need quarantine, motherfucker. Hey, and maybe then I can ride clean, motherfucker. Hit the ghetto in a black limousine, motherfucker. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. And how dare you ever judge me, motherfucker? Pay my daughter's college fund with 16s, motherfucker. Baby mama's out here trying to Billie Jean a motherfucker, but I'm on that drill shit, bringing Bun B to the Rucker, nah I mean, motherfucker. And it's like that. Harlem, blaze the fuck up. I thank y'all so much for having me, man.
Got these crazy white boys yelling Cobain's back.